What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Lincoln MKX and Ford Edge. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2011 Lincoln MKX in this video, but it will be the same on the Ford Edge as well. All we'll need to do this is our new rear wiper blade. This is a 14-inch blade. I got this one off Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find this exact wiper blade. The first thing we're going to do is remove the old wiper blade. So I'm going to pick up on the arm like this and kind of get my hand behind it, and then I'm going to use my thumb to push down on the actual wiper. And as I do that, it pops that off. And make sure that you don't let this arm go and snap back down onto the glass. Then I'm going to grab my new wiper, and you can see the shape of this. It's kind of got this taller part and then this lower part. You want to put the taller side away from the arm. And in the middle of it, you kind of see that pin right there. That pin's going to fit in this slot right here that you see the end of my finger on. So I'll just push that in there, snap that on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.